Mr. Chancellor, sir, with your permission, may I invite our Deputy Vice Chancellor, Academics and Student Affairs, to take over. Thank you.
Mr. Chancellor, sir, I now invite the Vice Chancellor to declare this assembly a congregation of Rongo University and give his address.
Mr. Chancellor, sir, acting on the powers conferred upon me by Statute 30, Section 6 of Rongo University Statutes, I declare this assembly the second congregation of Rongo University. Before I give a brief speech, Mr. Chancellor, sir, may I recognize some of the Vice Chancellors from the other universities that have come to join us on today's occasion. May I take this opportunity to recognize the presence of distinguished Vice Chancellor Professor Noah Midamba. Professor Noah Midamba is the Vice Chancellor of KCA. May I also take this opportunity, Mr. Chancellor, sir, to recognize the presence of Dr. Koga, representing Professor Geoffrey Muluvi of Southeast University. Allow me also, sir, to recognize the presence of Professor Polo Mundi, representing the Vice Chancellor of Moi University. Professor Polo Mundi. Thank you. I also want to take this opportunity, sir, to recognize the presence of other universities in this gathering. The various chairs will be introduced by the Chair of Council. But for me, I want to recognize those who sent to us congratulatory messages from the other universities. We received a congratulatory message from Karatina University from Professor Muchai Mushiri. Please applaud. We also received a congratulatory message from Professor Frederick Otieno, the Vice Chancellor of Masinde Muliro. Do we recognize? Likewise, allow me to also inform the congregation that we received a congratulatory message from Professor Dixon Nyariki of Muranga University. We received a congratulatory message from Maseno University. We received a congratulatory message from Tomboya University College. And the last one, we received a congratulatory message from Kisii University. Ladies and gentlemen, I do know that we have got very many dignitaries in this meeting. Mr. Chancellor, sir, may I also take this opportunity to recognize the presence of our Governor of Migori, Bwana Okoth Obado, represented in this meeting by Dr. Isa Oluwach. Thank you, Madam, for representing the Governor. May I also recognize the presence of Deputy County Commissioner, Bwana Joseph Satya, who is helping us take the security of this university, Dr. Bwana Satya. May I also recognize the presence of OCPD of Rongo, Bwana Jonathan Kisaka. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, we have got very many people, and at appropriate time we'll put mention the names of all of them. Mr. Chancellor, sir, now may you allow me to make a brief speech for this occasion. The Chancellor of Moi University, Professor Mohamed Yusuf Elmi, the representative of Ministry of Education, Mr. Ezra Magati, the Chairman of Rongo University Council, Dr. Joyce Mutinda, members of Rongo University Council, members of council from the other universities, they will be appropriately recognized by our Chair of Council, the Vice Chancellor of KCA University, Professor Noah Midamba, the Vice Chancellor of Southeast University, represented here by Dr. Koga, the Vice Chancellor of Moi University, represented here by Dr. Mondi, Professor Mondi, the Vice Chancellors from the other university, principals of constituent colleges, our political leaders, all staff of Rongo University, parents and guardians, student leaders, all the students of Rongo University, Mr. John Oluwach, Madam Janet Chumba, those are members of management. I want to thank you individually and severally as we are gathered here today for the support that I have got from you. Your presence in this gathering is a blessing and a show of friendship, goodwill, and partnership that we have enjoyed together. And first and foremost, I wish to take this opportunity to congratulate the graduates for hard work which has culminated in their graduation today. Indeed, it has been a long and winding academic journey, but with resilience and God's grace, you have made it. The students, the faculty, the Senate of Rongo University, they have all worked tirelessly to make this day a success. I salute you. The achievement you have made will enable you to be equal, if not above your other competitors in the marketplace. Ladies and gentlemen, this success could not have been realized without the unwavering support from our council, from our chancellor, and from the ministry. Allow me to acknowledge the various support that Rongo University has got to enable us to reach this day. To the national and the county governments, I wish to thank the national government for their steadfast financial support that has enabled Rongo University to grow from where we found it to the present Rongo University. I salute the governor of Migori County and all the political leadership of this county for their cooperation with the university. I want to take this opportunity also to salute the sub-county commissioner and all the local leadership, the assistant chief, Bwana Nyamanga, and the chief of the area, Bwana Eric Mala, for their steadfast support and growth to this university. To our Chancellor, Professor Mohamed Yusuf Elmi, I would like to sincerely thank you for the very many support and advice that you have given your wise counsel and for accepting to provide over this graduation ceremony. May God bestow more wisdom on you and lead this institution, for you to lead this institution to greater heights. Thank you. To the Council of Rongo University, led by Dr. Joyce Mutinda, I take this special and unique opportunity to thank you and to the previous councils of Rongo University for their focus and commitment to the growth and development of this institution. Your tireless support and guidance to us has been a great pillar upon which we lean whenever there is great challenges. With your support, the university has taken key development projects which has witnessed the expansion of physical facilities, including the tuition block, the administration block. We are currently putting the ramps, the lecture halls, and the kitchen, and we are expanding the kitchen. We are also expanding the water and sanitation, among the very many other projects, which could not have succeeded without the support of the Council, the Chancellor, and the Government of Kenya. The Ministry of Education, we salute you for your steadfast support. The Council has been central to the formulation of sound policies and the strategic direction of this university. Your leadership and your support has been selfless with great determination. We want to salute you. To our staff and students, I wish to thank you very sincerely for the total dedication to the ideals of Rongo University. On many occasions, you have worked under challenging circumstances, but you have demonstrated loyalty to the university and you have given your very best. I salute you. To the graduates of today, I wish to extend my sincere congratulations to all of you. This is an important step in your life. Rongo University community joins you in celebrating your wonderful achievements. We believe you will always remember Rongo University. Join the growing number of alumni of this university, and we will be a good ambassadors for Rongo University from today on and many years to come. There are numerous opportunities out there and infinite possibilities of what you could do with the talent and training that you have got from Rongo University. Some of you will be absorbed in the existing job markets. Others will be innovators and entrepreneurs. I urge you to exploit your hard-earned knowledge and skills productively. Be imaginative. Create opportunities for yourself and for others. You must take this your rightful place in contributing to the Kenya National Development Agenda. Work together with others to develop this country. We want to see your active participation in the achievement of the ideals of the Kenya Vision 2030 and the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals for the good of all humanity. You have acquired the skills and the experience which will allow you to participate very well. The ball now is in your court to actively commit yourself to God first and foremost and to the rest of humanity. Grow your talents and add value to the quality of life for all the humanity. I urge you to be positive and ever talk positive about Rongo and be patriotic to this country of ours, Kenya. To the parents and guardians and sponsors of our students, I recognize the immense contribution and sacrifice you have made to the academic success of today. As we do the graduation today, we remember you and we know how well you have worked to sponsor whoever you are sponsoring. I wish to thank the Kitere community, the local area of member of parliament, with everybody that supports his leadership. The area chief, the area assistant chief, community leaders of this area. I would not forget to remember the great leaders of Kitere. I want to recognize the presence of the Yugi family in Rongo University and what they have done for this university. May we clap for them. I want to recognize the great contribution that was made by the late Ogola Osongo. Now please join Madam Ogola in saluting Ogola. For if they were not there, we wouldn't have got land upon which Rongo University has been built. We enjoy the peace and tranquility with this community and they have welcomed us, including the students from the diverse community. I want to give special recognition to the Kitere community for welcoming us. May God give you grace to continue supporting this university. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to thank Awendo CDF through the effort of the former area member of parliament, Honorable Kopio. He deserves special mention because he sponsored over 200 students in this university. I want to recognize also the former area member of parliament, Bwana Dalmas Otieno Nyango, for the great work he did. He was the first chairman of this institution when it was started at Moi Institute of Technology. But above all, we have got several CDF buildings that were brought in through the effort of Honorable Dalmas Otieno. Those are great leaders of Kitere, and we want to say thank you. And we believe the new leadership by Bwana Bur, Mheshimiwa Bur, will also help us to grow this university, because the university is the place for development and for academic leadership. We want to say to Rongo CDF and other sponsoring CDFs that please continue to do the good work that you have done. And we know the area MP now is a different member of parliament, and we believe he will continue to support the other students that of Awendo CDF that might have not come to this day for graduation, but a good number of them are graduating today. We salute you and we thank you very much. Finally, I also want to recognize the support we have got from the newspapers, and specifically the Standard newspaper, for the support that you have given to Rongo University. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to conclude, and I wish you all the very best. May God richly bless you, and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you. May I then take this opportunity to invite our Chair of Council, Dr. Joyce Mwikali Mutinda, to be able to address the congregation and recognize the other chairs of council from the various universities. Thank you.
Good morning. I know after such speech, when a lady stands up, you expect very soft voice. That is exactly what I'm going to offer you. Mr. Chancellor, sir, our Chancellor, Professor Mohamed Yusuf Helmi, representative of the Minister of Education, Mr. Ezra Magadi, members of Rongo University Council here present, members of council from other universities, and I want to recognize Professor Samuel Chola from Masai Mara University, the council chair. Please be upstanding. Thank you very much for coming to support us. I also want to recognize Dr. Charles Moturi from Machakos University. Thank you, Dr. for coming to support us. The acting Vice Chancellor of Rongo University, Professor Samuel Gudu, who has just spoken to us. Vice Chancellor, KTA University, Professor Noah Midamba, who is also my mentor. Please wave once more. We are very proud of you. Yes, thank you, sir. Vice Chancellor, Kenya Methodist University, Maurice Okoth. As he arrived, he was on the coming, and we are proud that he can come all the way from Meru. Deputy Vice Chancellors of Rongo University, I think we all know them. Representatives of other universities here present, and I want to recognize in particular Professor Paul Omondi from our mother university, that is Moi University. Thank you, sir, and say that we are grateful. Now we are grown up. I also want to recognize Dr. Koga representing the Vice Chancellor of Southeastern University. Dr. Koga, thank you very much. We know Kitui is not very near, but thank you for coming. The University Management Board, the political elite, we may not have captured your names, but I know we do have politicians among us, and they help us. Rock staff, and in particular our professors, deans, directors, lecturers, administrative and support staff. I want to pause and sincerely recognize the support staff. I know without the support staff, the university cannot run. The academics must be supported. The watchmen among us, the cooks, the caterers, please feel recognized. The graduates, parents and guardians, students of Rongo University, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I am delighted to participate in today's graduation ceremony as the new chairperson of Rongo University Council. On my behalf and that of the council, I am pleased to welcome you all to this auspicious occasion of the second graduation ceremony. I sincerely hope we are going to have very many graduation ceremonies. And I happen to have attended a few, and I know in Rongo we are doing very well. While some universities have only 400 students or graduates, today we have over 1,000 graduates. So I'm really very, very proud. I wish to take this opportunity to congratulate all the graduates of the class of 2017. Dear graduates, today marks a very special day in your lives. It is a culmination of the many hours that you have put into your studies to master new skills and knowledge. Your sacrifices have been rewarded, and now you must be optimistic that in the years to come, you will shape up your future and your career. And I remain that you can take up the challenges that we face as a nation and make them your own. Because you have a debt to this nation, and I have no apologies to make. This is a public university. We get our money from the exchequer, and therefore we have this debt. And since as a graduate of Rongo University, you have this debt, then you need to stand out because you have an obligation to those who are less fortunate than you, and because your academic achievement earns you the right to participate in the national discourse with courage and commitment to the things that matter most to our nation. Somebody said in Rongo, we are in a bush, we are in a rural setting. I want to tell you, graduates, that rural setting is so strong, and it is our strength. We are the only university that sits on a mine where there is gold. I wanted to say that very slowly. We are the only one sitting on a gold mine, a real one. Gold is mined around. So be proud, not just because you are in the rural area, but because you are unique, and you should be proud of that. I urge you today to make a pact with yourself, not to be defined by your past. Don't think of what happened in the past, nor be lured in the misgivings of an easy future. You will be tested as you embark on your next journey. You won't always succeed, but know that you have it within your power to try again and again. Through your undying commitment and God's providence, you will continue on the precious journey towards the distance distant horizon, and a better day. I wish you all the very best of luck and God's choicest blessings in the abundance of opportunities before you. I want to add here, when you go to knock at a door, knock and knock again. Knock until they hear, and knock until they know you are a graduate from Rongo University who has the knowledge and the skills and is ready to contribute to nation building. To the parents and guardians, dear parents and guardians, I know that this day comes as a motivation to you for the selfless love and support you have dedicated to these grand ones. Along the way, your love, sacrifices, and support have been instrumental in defining this reward. The reward that these grand ones get is because of those of us who are parents and grand ones. Just think of the money you paid in terms of school fees. Think of the books you bought. Think of the transport you provided. Think of the food you gave. And that is why we have these grand ones today. Without your dedicated support, these grand ones would not be what they are today. Rongo University recognizes your insurmountable contribution towards our growth. We thank you and look forward to your continued support as friends of Rongo University. Indeed, I must add that we are in the process of starting what we are calling Friends of Rongo University. Please stand up and be counted on this account. We would want to have a building named after the Friends of Rongo University. And who are these friends? They are our parents, our guardians, the political elite, and anybody who cares about education in this country. Mr. Chancellor, sir, ladies and gentlemen, I am humbled as the chairperson of Rongo University Council. I have enjoyed working with members of my council, and allow me, sir, to introduce the members of the Rongo University Council. Please, members, be upstanding. Now, those are the members of the council, and I want to request our representative from the Ministry of Education to stand up, because that marks our council. And I'm very proud that this council today is here totally, despite the fact that the secretary to the council has not stood. So the secretary to the council, please, sir. That is the secretary to the council. Now you know the people behind the constructions you see around, and even such a graduation. Thank you very much. I will not say the names, not to bore you. Mr. Chancellor, sir, I know you will not allow me to say the names. Please be seated. Thank you. And I appreciate your support. The management of this great institution, I really feel supported. We have not had occasion to quarrel and fight, and I know when I say this, the grand ones and the students present, and even the support staff know that we go and hold our meetings calmly, and it's not because it's by design. God willed it that way, and the management is gracious enough. The University Council remains vigilant to dynamism of the university education sector. We shall embrace university reforms. I think we are all alive to the fact that the ministry has come up with various reforms, and as a council we are alive to that. And we make a commitment to you and to the public to always expand access to education, higher education, and in particular university education, and maintain the quality of the education that we offer. At this point, I want to pause and say, we are in very good books with Commission for University Education. That is why, as I was giving my speech, I saw one of the deputies just arrived, that is Professor Oyawa, and you can be sure If we were not in very good books with them, they would not be telling us that they will attend our ceremonies. The chairman to the Commission for University Education was also to come, but gave his apologies late yesterday. That is Professor Chacha Nyaigoti. We recognize he was sent somewhere by our cabinet secretary, and we are forever grateful, and we want to invite the Commission for University Education to keep visiting us so that we maintain quality of the education we offer. Further, we are committed as a council to protecting our reputation and dignity as a university pillared on principles of meritocracy and value addition. When the council is committed and is supported by the management, and the government is there to support us, we'll go places. Following the award of charter to this university on 7th October 2016, the council has undertaken significant steps to automate university operations, improve infrastructure, and expand its human resource base for an enhanced service delivery. We shall continue to do this. And I want to confess before you that it is not just my council, but also the council, the first council that was led by Julius Coley. And we really want to appreciate them. They put down the structures, and we are riding on their shoulders, and we shall not let them down. However, as a council, we are alert to the challenges that we face as a nation and as a university. We will adapt to these challenges, and Rongo University shall continue the journey towards its vision. Mr. Chancellor, sir, I want to thank the national government of Kenya through the Minister of Education for the continued financial support and policy guidance that has seen us through the years. We are, however, a very, very young university that did not inherit an elaborate infrastructure from our predecessor, Moi Institute of Technology. But we are grateful to Moi University because we inherited academic programs. We therefore appeal to the Minister of Education to enhance our annual capitation and capital development grant, even as we strive to boost our internal resource mobilization capacity. I wish, Mr. Chancellor, sir, to express my utmost gratitude to Rongo University staff. Your dedicated service to this university has won us the recognition locally, nationally, and across the borders. I urge you to continue giving focused commitment to this institution for sustained growth. In conclusion, Mr. Chancellor, sir, and with humility, determination, and boundless confidence in the promise of a better Kenya, I look into the future with the hope that our graduates seated here today will enter into the pool of vibrant alumni. I remain confident that you will not walk away from the challenges you may face from your own. Rongo University has equipped you better to deal with them. And I want to request all the graduates today to register as members of our alumni. Be ready, even if it is not contributing money, to contribute your skills and to contribute your time to your alma mater. Thank you all for gracing this occasion. I wish you a Merry Christmas, Victorious New Year 2018, and journey masses as you return home. God bless you all, and God bless Rongo University. Thank you. It is now my humble and pleasant duty to welcome our Chancellor, Professor Mohamed Yusuf Elmi, to give his remarks. Mr. Chancellor, sir.
Hamjambo tena. Thank you very much, the chair of the council of Rongo University, members of the council from other universities, the acting vice chancellor and the deputy vice chancellor of Rongo University, vice chancellor KCA University, Professor Noah Midamba, vice chancellor Kenya Methodist University, Maurice Okoth, vice chancellor and a representative of other universities, management of the university board, political leaders, Rongo University staff, professors, deans, directors, lecturers, administrative and support staff, graduates, parents and guardians, students, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, today marks the second graduation ceremony of Rongo University. This is a clear testimony of university's commitment to an equal player in the national development agenda. Today we are witnessing the graduation of highly trained, skilled manpower. The graduates have received quality education and been nurtured to be innovative to fit into the job market. Our goal is to make Rongo University a center of excellence in learning, teaching, research, and community service. To achieve this, the university commits to identify, design, implement programs that will equip learners with knowledge, skills, and attitude relevant for resolving societal challenges. The university will also endeavor to provide adequate facilities and human resource. I pledge to join hands with the council, university management staff, students in this noble cause to create a world-class university that will meet trends in global higher education. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my sincere call to the government to continue providing financial support and sound legislative framework that will enhance seamless growth and the development of Rongo University. To parents and guardians, thank you for supporting us and enrolling your children to study in this great university. Ladies and gentlemen, as we gather here today, I am delighted to witness the graduation of young academicians who are symbols of future scholarship. Join me in congratulating and celebrating the graduates. Their resilience and hard work has culminated in this graduation. As we get into the job market, I remind you to remain steadfast in the accomplishment of your personal aspiration, going toward your success. Going forward, your success in life will be determined by your integrity, discipline, and above all, fear of God. Your experience at the university will play a critical role in making the community, Kenya, and the world a better place. Finally, I wish to take this opportunity to thank all of you for gracing this occasion and making it colorful. May I wish all of you Merry Christmas, happy and prosperous New Year. Thank you and God bless you. Asanteni sana. Mungu atubariki sisi zote.
Mr. Chancellor Sir, I now invite the deans to present graduates for conferment, award, and presentation of Rongo University degrees, diplomas, and certificates in the following order: doctorate, master's, bachelor's, diploma, and certificates. The deans shall come in the following order: Professor Peter Kisinyo, Dean of the School of Agriculture, Natural Resources and Environmental Studies, we're sorry, there's a small hitch. Please bear with us. Amjambo. Good. I stand here on behalf of the Ministry of Education, and as I was listening, several prayers have been made by the chair of the Council of Rongo, and also the Chancellor has also made prayers, and also Vice Chancellor made also some prayers, and I want to confirm that I will pass these prayers as appropriate. Now, the Principal Secretary of the State Department of University Education was supposed to be here, but because of unavoidable circumstances, she could not be here. And I'm going to take this opportunity to read the speech. Chancellors of sister universities, Chairman, Rongo University Council, Chairman at University Councils present, members of Rongo University Council, members of other university councils, Acting Vice Chancellor of Rongo University, Professor Samuel Gudu, Vice Chancellors of other universities and the principals of university colleges, Deputy Chancellors, Rongo University, and the members of the Senate, staff of Rongo University, graduates and their parents, guardians, family and friends, as well as students, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to be here today to witness the second graduation for the conferment of degrees and award of diplomas of Rongo University. I wish to congratulate Rongo University Chancellor, Council, management, staff, and students for the hard work that culminated into this graduation. The government and all stakeholders in the education sector demand great quality service provision to meet the needs of a more challenging and dynamic society. Education which facilitates the attainment of the goals of the Vision 2030, the Constitution 2010, and the Sustainable Development Goals. I beseech you to endeavor to fulfill your mission and vision as is on those bulletins you have. Chancellor Sir, the development projects I've seen undertaken within the short time is a clear indication that the Council and the management of this university are working in harmony and are up to the task. To this end, I once again congratulate the Council and the management of the university. Ladies and gentlemen, The government continues to provide considerable resources for the expansion of the higher education sector. In order to ensure optimal utilization of these resources and achieve value for taxpayers' money, the ministry has established a mechanism for ensuring that our universities provide quality education that is relevant to our national development, responsive to labor market demands, and remain globally competitive. University education should at all times be relevant to societal needs. We encourage the university to continue reviewing its curriculum, introducing unique and demand-proven programs that provide opportunities to competitive global markets. University education plays a crucial role in providing quality, relevant, and skilled human capital for socio-economic development, and the Rongo University graduates are not an exception. Ladies and gentlemen, in line with the vision of the Ministry of Education for universities, the University Council is expected to play a leading role in formulation of policy and must also offer strategic leadership and planning to ensure that the university grows both in infrastructure and human resource. Today's universities are operating with limited resources, yet the government, the society, and the relevant regulatory bodies expect to demand excellent results from them every day. This reality must force the management of our universities to seek for more ways of adopting creative and practical alternatives to thrive and remain relevant and competitive in the modern world. As government, we will remain open and responsive to the new ideas and suggestions from universities on how to move forward together in this effort. I wish to encourage universities to bring on board all the relevant stakeholders through structured public-private partnerships and even international linkages and collaborations. To the students of this university, I take this opportunity to challenge you to work hard in your studies. As you know, the government and your parents have invested a lot of resources in educating you. The society expects you to pay back in one way or another through the service that you render to this nation when you graduate. To the continuing and the graduating students, I urge you to be good role models to all those who look up to you and be good ambassadors as the alumni of this university. Ladies and gentlemen, the world today is a global village, and it has become a very competitive place, demanding adoption of top-notch technologies in order to gain leadership in the market. As a result, the government continues to invest in universities because of the critical role they play in research and the use of knowledge that are critical for transforming Kenya into a knowledge and technology-based economy. I therefore asked Rongo University and other public and private universities in our great nation to join the government in making concerted efforts to enhance research and innovation in the country through integration of science, technology, and innovation in education. Ensure your programs are accredited, relevant, and internationally competitive. Chancellor Sir, I wish to conclude by congratulating graduates and wish you the very best for the future. You have worked hard, and your parents, families, government, and sponsors have sacrificed much to get you here. Make them and the university proud through your contributions, especially by being hardworking, innovative, committed, ethical in your future work and leadership. I invite you to take a continuing interest in your university, as well as join hands to contribute to the future well-being of our country and the counties. You have the greatest opportunity in generations to be the architects and the builders of a new world. Finally, allow me to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year 2018. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.